Good morning, children. Once again, I welcome all of you to my class. Listen very carefully. Okay? You will listen to the class very carefully. After the class, I will give you some activities. You do all the activities today itself and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay? Let's start the class. Stay home, stay safe. Okay? Okay, children, all of you look at the screen. You can see a boy there. Do you know him? Do you know his name? Anub. No. That's not his name. Yes. He is Raju. That's his name. Okay? One day, Raju's father gave him some money. Look at the screen. Okay. This is what Raju's father gave him. Okay, all of you look at the screen. How many rupees did Raju get? Can you say? Look at the screen and say, yes, you are right. 10 rupees. Okay. Raju's father gave him 10 rupees each day. Each day, Raju's father gave him 10 rupees. On the first day, Raju's father gave him 10 rupees. On the second day, he again gave him 10 rupees. On the third day, Raju's father again gave him 10 rupees. Like that, every day, he gave him, every day, he gives him 10 rupees. Okay, now, can you say, how many rupees did he get after 9 days? Can you say, who will say, how many rupees did he get after 9 days? Okay, who will say the answer? On the first day, he got 10 rupees. On the second day, he again got 10 rupees. On the third day, he again got 10 rupees. Okay, all of this together, how many rupees? Okay, come on. Yes, you are correct. 90 rupees. 90. Okay? Good children. Now, look at the screen. You can see a girl there. Can you guess who is she? No, she's not Raju's friend. She is Raju's sister. Her name is Rani. Rani is Raju's sister. Okay, children. Okay, do you remember how many rupees does Raju have in his hand now? All of you know. How many rupees? 90 rupees. Now, Raju has 90 rupees in his hand. One day, Rani, his sister, gave him 9 1-rupee coins. His sister, Rani, gave him 9 1-rupee coins. Let's see that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what his sister gave him. 9 1-rupee coins. Okay. These are the coins that his sister gave him. Now my question. How many 1 rupees coins did Rani give him? Okay, all of you know. 9 1 rupee coins. 9 1 rupee coins. Now, my question. Can you say how many rupees does Raju have in his hand? Now, all this together, how many rupees does Raju have in his hand? Okay, you count it. We all know. 9, 10 rupees. 9, 10 rupees, 90 rupees. We all know. Then 90 plus 1, 91, 92, 93. Like that. You count it. How many rupees does Raju have in his hand? Okay, come on. Who will say the answer? 9 10 rupees notes. 9 10 rupees notes. 90. 90 plus 1, 91. 92. 93. 94. Like that. You count it. Yes, come on. Who will say the answer? Yes, you are right. 99. 99 rupees. Now, Raju has 99 rupees in his hand. Then again, Rani gave him one more 1 rupee coin. Okay? Again, Rani gave him one more coin. That's 2 1 rupees coin. Now, how many rupees does Raju have? Now, total. Together, how many rupees does Raju have in his hand? Who will say the answer? Shane, you say the answer. Come on. Yes, very good. 100 rupees. Okay. Is it right? Yes. Now, Raju has 100 rupees in his hand. Okay. Raju wants a single note instead of them. Okay, now Raju has 9 10 rupees notes and 10 1 rupee coins in his hand. Okay, he wants a single note instead of them. For that, he went to nearby shop. He gave his all notes and coins to the shopkeeper and asked him to give a single note. Okay? This is not what the shopkeeper gave him. Look at the screen. Instead of Raju's 10 rupees notes and coins, shopkeeper gave him a single note. This is not what the shopkeeper gave him. All of you look at the screen. 100. This is 100 rupees note. Okay? Okay, look at the screen. How many 100 rupees are there? Only one. One day, Raju's uncle came to his house. Raju's uncle came to his house and he gave him a 100 rupees note. Raju's uncle gave him a 100 rupees note. Now, can you say how many rupees does Raju have? Okay, there are 200 notes here. There are 200 notes in Raju's hand. Together, how many rupees? You all know. Come on, say 100. 200s. This is first 100. This is second 100. Together, how many rupees does Raju have? Come on, say. Yes, you are correct. 200. 200 rupees. Now Raju has 200 rupees in his hand. Okay. Now Raju has 200 rupees in his hand. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Another day, Raju's mother gave him 100 rupee note. This is not that Raju's mother gave him. One day Raju's mother gave him 100 rupees note. Can you say now, how many rupees does Raju have? Now, how many rupees does Raju have? 100, 100, 100. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. Together, how many rupees in Raju's hand? Come on, say. I think all of you know the answer. Yes, very good. 300. Good children. Okay, children. Now all of you look at the screen. Now Raju has 300 rupees in his hand. One day his auntie gave him a 100 rupee note. His auntie gave him a 100 rupee note. All of you look at the screen. Now, how many rupees does Raju have? There are 4 hundreds here. Together, how many rupees? How many rupees does Raju have? Yes, who will say the answer? Yes, you are correct. 400. 400 rupees. Now, Raju has 400 rupees in his hand. Another day, his grandfather, Raju's grandfather, gave him a 100 rupee note. Okay. This is the note that Raju's grandfather gave him. Okay, now all of you look at the screen. Now, how many rupees does Raju have? Okay, come on, say the answer. All of you know the answer. Yes, very good. Now, Raju has 500 rupees in his hand. 500. Raju has 500 rupees in his hand. Okay, look at the screen. How many rupees are there? 500 rupees. Am I right? Okay. Another day, his grandmother gave him a 100 rupee note. This is the note that his grandmother gave him. All of you look at the screen. Now, together, how many rupees does Raju have? Now, how many rupees does Raju have? How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 rupees. 600 rupee notes are there. Together, how many rupees are there? How many rupees does Raju have? Okay, come on. Who will say the answer? Yes, very good. 600. Now, Raju has 600 rupees in his hand. 600. Okay. Now, Raju has 600 rupees in his hand. Okay, all of you look at the screen. How many rupees are there? 600 rupees. Okay. One day, Raju got 100 rupees from his teacher as a gift. Do you know, Raju is a bright student. So, his teacher gave him 100 rupee note as gift. Now, can you say how many rupees does Raju have? All of you count it. How many hundreds are there? 7 hundreds. Okay. 7 hundreds are there. Okay. Together, how many rupees are there? 700. 700. Okay. Now, Raju has 700 rupees in his hand. Okay. Look at the screen. How many rupees are there? 700 rupees. Okay. Another day, his friend Faisal. Faisal is Raju's best friend. One day, Faisal came to Raju's house and Faisal gave him a 100 rupee note. Okay? You see this note. This is the note that Faisal gave him. Faisal also gave him a 100 rupee note. Come on, say, now, how many rupees does Raju have? Yes, very good. 800. 800 rupees in Raju's hand. Now, Raju has 800 rupees in his hand. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Okay. On a Christmas day, Raju's family friend, one Mr. Thomas. Thomas is Raju's family friend. On a Christmas day, Thomas came to Raju's house and Thomas gave him a 100 rupee note. Okay, look at the screen. Look at the screen. This is the note that Thomas gave him. Okay, all of you say, now how many rupees does Raju have? Together, how many rupees does Raju have? Okay, very easy. Yes, you are right. Now, Raju has 900 rupees. And his hand, 900. 900 rupees in his hand. All of you look at the screen. How many rupees are there? Count it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. 900 rupees are there. Okay? One day, Suresh, Raju's father's friend. Suresh is not Raju's friend. Suresh is Raju's father's friend. Suresh came to his house and Suresh gave him another 100 rupee note to him. All of you see this. This is the note that Suresh gave him. Now all of you look at the screen. How many rupees does Raju have now? Now, all of this together, how many rupees does Raju have? Who will say the answer? Yes, come on. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10 hundreds. Okay, 10 hundreds are there. Well, how many hundreds are there? 10 hundreds. Okay. So, say the answer to my question. How many rupees does Raju have? There are 10 hundreds there. Together, what we call? Yes, you are right. 1000. 1000. Now, Raju has 1000 rupee. 1000 rupee in his hand. Okay? Now, all of you look at the screen. I am going to read first. Listen to me. 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000, 1000. Okay, children. Okay, children. This is today's math class. If you have any doubt, you call me. Okay, no problem. If you have any doubt about this class, you call me. See you again in the next class. Until then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye.